This is part 4 of a multi-part training series that shows various ways to create animation without using a single keyframe. In the last 3 videos, I showed you, without using a single keyframe, how to create 3 types of animations, in, out, and loop, using motion presets, how to create multiple animations all at one time using batch animations, and how to create an animation using a transition. See links below for details. In this video, I will show you how to create an animation using LOTTIE files. A LOTTIE file is a relatively new industry standard open source animation format similar to the old animated GIF file. Unlike a GIF file, which is based on a bitmap format, a LOTTIE file is based upon a vector format. Without sounding too geekish, it has the advantages of being lightweight, scalable, scriptable, fast, and cross-platform compatible. LOTTIE files are created with a format pronounced as JSON, not the JSON you know, but it's written as JSON, J-S-O-N. Because LOTTIE files are simply text files, they can be opened with any text editor or other applications. They can be created with several applications. Here are a few of them: Adobe After Effects, LOTTIE Creator, and Figma. If you know how, you can create your own LOTTIE files or get them from various websites. The official website is lottiefiles.com, where you can download both free and paid versions of LOTTIE animation files. With that backdrop in mind, let's look at a simple example. Import a static or dynamic background of your choosing. Create or download several LOTTIE files and import, resize, and position them on the canvas. To save time, I've already done this step for 3 of the 4 LOTTIE files that will be used in this tutorial. I've also extended their timeline to about 10 seconds. You will see how to do this later. Press the 0 or the spacebar key to see how the current LOTTIE files animate. Press the spacebar key to stop the animation. Press the 1 key to reset the playback head to the start of the timeline. Drag and drop another LOTTIE file onto the canvas. In my case, I will drag and drop the shuttle, scale it down, rotate it, and then place it off the canvas. You'll see why in a minute. Important note: unlike image and video layers in the timeline, you cannot extend a LOTTIE file's layer by dragging the right edge to increase its duration. Instead, you need to change the number of loops in the settings panel. In my case, I will increase it to 5 to match the other layers. You may want to do the same for the other LOTTIE files you are using in your project. With the shuttle layer still selected, click on the Motion tab, and with the Position property highlighted, click to select the Right Motion Preset checkbox. To slow down the animation, extend the Right Motion Preset handles in the timeline layer to the entire length of the layer. As a bonus, I will add a shadow to the shuttle to give it a more realistic animation effect, as you will soon see. Press the 0 or the spacebar key again to play the animation. Press the spacebar key again to stop the animation. Notice that all LOTTIE files animate without using a single keyframe. In the next video, I will show you how to use animated GIFs files to create animations without using a single keyframe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Houston, we have a problem.